Hello everyone! I am Sassy, a baby wearing consultant here in Iloilo City, Philippines. And ngayon po ay mag-unbox po tayo ng parcel na pre-loved carrier. Ayan. So, join me. Saan yung pattern ko? Okay, but before we open this one, so, konting story muna. I got this one from a mom. Her name is Seth. Nakita ko yung kanyang post sa Baby Wearing BST. So, it's a Facebook group by the Baby Wearing Philippines for high quality na mga pre-loved baby carriers. Ayan. BST, which means buy, sell, and trade, if I'm not mistaken. So, ayun. So, nakita ko yung post niya, and then while I do have several baby carriers already, and I no longer baby wear my kids because they're already grown, I am still building up my sling library. Like, I do have an existing sling library wherein moms can come and rent baby carriers. But mas gusto ko na mas madami yung stash para for more, pag may mga needs pa, more needs. So, ayun, and nakita ko yung kanyang ring sling, and I think it's a great teaching tool since I also teach moms and those who want to be a baby wearing peer supporter or baby wearing educators. I also teach those individuals as well. So, nakita ko na, oh, parang muna na tong tool na to. So, okay. Open na natin. Okay, tatlong carriers to. So, the first one is a woven wrap na siya daw ang nag-dye. Ayan, nakakatuwa. Ang ganda ng color. Ganda ng color, malambo. So, I will definitely create baby wearing tutorials or videos, baby wearing videos using this woven wrap. And then next, we have the Nanay at Ako na May-dye. I will have to explore this carrier. I don't have this one yet. So I will explore this one, and then I will also make a video on how to use this type of carrier. So, isa to sa mga baby carriers na I believe here in the Philippines is not widely used, pero maganda siya na type of baby carrier kasi very versatile siya. Yeah. So, this is Nanay at Ako by Nanay at Ako. Ayan. I-explore it. And then, this is the primary reason why I bought the carrier. The ring sling. Oh, nakakatuwa. Ayan. Yeah. So, I will definitely create another video. And napakaganda ng kanyang ano.
Ako ni.
So, I'll definitely create a video. I believe that this is really a good teaching tool when I teach mothers and future baby wearing educators on how to use a ring sling.
Hello, I'm his kid.
Yun. So, so konting tips lang. When we buy pre-loved baby carriers, be sure na first is legit yung pagbibilhan ninyo. Second is that make sure that the carrier is hindi siya yung, may term sa amin dito sa Iloilo, yung tais, yung parang hindi siya na overuse, hindi rin siya ganun kaluma. Kasi sometimes, especially when you try to buy soft structured carriers or baby carriers that have buckles, kapag masyado na matagal, may expiration date kasi yung buckles. And kapag masyado nang matagal yung soft structured carrier, sometimes these buckles can be very brittle. They will easily sila na ma-break into, you know, mabilis masira. So it's a safety hazard. Yun. Ano pa ba? When you buy ring slings, ayan, tinignan ko, napaka-smooth ng kanyang ring sling. Yung rings ng kanyang ring sling ay napaka-smooth. Walang mga kung ano-anong. Hindi siya, tawag nito, hindi siya sira. Ayan. Halatang na ingatan talaga. Wait lang. Very obvious na pag-ingatan talaga ito ng maayos. Ayan. And then also, yung transaction kasi naman is online. But if you have the opportunity to inspect the baby carrier, the better. Tingnan mo yung pagkakatahi. Yan. Lalo na sa mga baby carriers that have stitches. Like Mayday, soft structured carriers, ring sling, tingnan mo yung pagkakatahi. Baka may mga sira-sira na, like, for example, for ring slings dito, ayan. Baka may mga nagkabuhol-buhol na ng mga threads or naaalis na yung mga threads, ayan. So it's not really a good type of it's not really a good investment pag bibili ka ng pre-love kung yung pre-love na bibili mo ay may mga sira-sira na. Take note na ang ilalagay mo sa baby carrier is priceless. Pinaka-importanteng tao sa buhay mo, yung baby mo. So it's really nice to invest in a good baby carrier. If you can't afford to buy a new one, if you have the opportunity to buy a very good na pre-love, then you can buy that one. Maganda din kasi na minsan bumibili tayo ng mga pre-love in a sense na nabibigyan buhay ulit at silbi yung mga baby carriers na minahal ng ibang mga nanay, nagagamit mo ulit. So, alam mo yun. But always choose a pre-loved carrier that gives you the best value. Yung safe, maganda yung quality, maganda yung pagkakatahi, yung mga buckle straps niya ay maayos pa. Para naman masulit ninyo ang inyong baby wearing journey using your pre-love na break-in na baby carrier. Whatever baby carrier you choose, always choose to do safe baby wearing and baby wear smart. Follow for more. Thank you. Bye.